is Betty and welcome back to my channel. I am here to share the giveaway winner for some Beetlejuice embellishments that I created. I have a small little series of Beetlejuice embellishments that I've been having fun creating. I created a Beetlejuice embellishment book using Scrap Diva Designs embellishment book die. And I want to fill up that embellishment book. If you did not see the first video for this series, I will link it below. I have a playlist. So make sure you guys check it out. I hope you like it. Don't forget to hit the like button. I would love for you to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. You can share the video. I'm on Instagram at ScrapPassion01. You may want to follow me over there as well. So I'm going to share also another set of embellishments I worked on here over the weekend. I'm still working, you guys. I'm really slow, but I'm getting there. And then I'll come back and share what the giveaway winner number 2 will have a chance to win. So if you want a chance to win some of my embellishments, all you have to do is be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the like button. And just put in the comments, I love Beetlejuice. And then I'll come back on and I'll draw a winner. Okay? But this is for winner number 1. And let me share with you what that winner will win. And then after I announce that winner, I'll share with you another set of embellishments that I created. The first winner will win these Beetlejuice words that I created. And this is how I have it all packaged up. Really cute. And then that person will also win a set of my Beetlejuice buttons. And I also created this cute little embellishment. So if you want to remove that and use it on a project, you can definitely use that as well. So let me announce that winner. Congratulations to the winner. All you need to do is just send me an email, or you can message me on Instagram. My email is scrappassion01@yahoo.com. And let me know your mailing address so I can get your winnings out to you. You have 48 hours now to respond because I want to be fair about things. If you don't respond within 48 hours, then I'll come back and I'll announce another winner. Okay? So let me announce that winner. Congratulations to the winner. Yay! Super excited. So just send me a message and I will get your winnings out to you. So let me share with you some more fun embellishments that I put together. And make sure you follow this series so you can be entered for a chance to win. Alright, so I created these fun popcorns, you guys. I have not gotten a chance to see the new Beetlejuice movie, but I plan to make some time to check it out. But, you know, we got to have popcorn to go see the movie, right? So I created these fun little popcorn embellishments that would be so fun to pop on a project. So let me share with you the dies that I used to put this together. I used this waffle flower popcorn die. It also comes with a stencil. I did not use the stencil this go around, but this is a really fun die set. And then if you notice, I have the film strip here, and let me share with you that die. That came from a Cottage Cuts die. And then I have that reel on there, the film reel. That also came from Cottage Cuts. And then I used my embossing folder because I wanted to put some texture on the popcorn. So let me share that with you again. You can see the dots on there. I thought that would be fun just to add some texture. And then the star you see there came from this die set by Stephanie Bernard. And I think it turned out cute. I added some cute little spiders. It has to have spiders on the popcorn. And then the popcorn sentiment, I created that in Cricut Design Space. And then the cute little glasses came from a die from AliExpress. And I think these turned out cute, you guys. What do you think? So I'm not going to open it because I want it to stay nice for the winner. I'm going to come back because I want to create some more embellishments to go with this. And I'll come back and then, you know, you'll have a chance to comment and win. But here is the one that I created for my embellishment book. So you can see here the silhouette of Beetlejuice. The juice is loose. I created that sentiment in Cricut Design Space. You can see the popcorn there. Here I have a larger reel. It's bigger than this one. And it came from this die set. You can mix and match your dies, to fit your crafting. So I needed something a little bigger. So I used this right here, this film strip die. And then for the movie night, I used a cottage cuts die. This is called Movie Night and Ticket. And you can see here, movie night. And then I used those same glasses. I used the star to put on the side of the glasses. And y'all, let me take this out. This is what they look like. Look, y'all, this is so fun and so cute. And this will look so cute on the project. You can see the film strip die here, the star. And then I have a silhouette of Beetlejuice. You can see that movie night there. And then here's the popcorn. I added some glitter. I put that texture on there by using that embossing folder. A spider there. And then here's the other one. You can see that movie night. Here's the glasses again. I put the little stars on the side there, just to give it a little bit more detail. And y'all, these are cute. And this would be really, really cute to add on a project. Already ready to go. So I think this is cute. So if you like what I created, don't forget to like the video, you guys, and come back to visit me to see what else I'm gonna do. You guys, this bag topper I think came from AliExpress. The cute little bag topper there. All right, you guys. So come back and visit me. I'm having so much fun with this Beetlejuice. Tell me in the comments if you're liking this series, if you want me to continue. I hope you're getting inspiration. You don't have to do a Beetlejuice theme. You can just get some ideas from the actual embellishments. And yeah, so that's my share, you guys. Until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion.